Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077181. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once this is done, if you see the retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install it. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, so click on pause over here. Once it is paused, resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. Run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181. Then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Now over here, check your version. It's version 25H2 in my case. Check your version, then go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option. Here you can see system type. You can see 64-bit operating system in my case. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5077181 and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option over here. And here you can see option fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let it close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.